North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southeast of downtown Concord, or 5 miles north of Midland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Pleasant, Midland, Harrisburg, and downtown Concord. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Cabarrus, North Carolina.
Again? Double header? Oh wait, this is flash flood warning.
Flood warning for South Central Richmond County and Central North Carolina until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
That's scaring you.
Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rockingham, Hamlet, Dobbins Heights, and East Rockingham. There have been reports of roadway flooding in Rockingham and Hamlet areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
You want to go out? Yes, sorry. We're getting a triple header. We got a triple header. Triple header.
Southwestern Stanley County and Central North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m.
Triple header.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Midland, or 10 miles southeast of downtown Concord, moving east at 10 miles per hour.
Literally 3 alerts.
Wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Tyler, Midland, Locust, Oakboro, Stanfield, and Singer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh my God.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Stanley, North Carolina. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Skyland and southeastern Richmond counties. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located